So bhí sé thar bheith spargail le bheith ag Johnny Caharlach an panel in céad panel ceinte Scoil Gheimhridh I Chadhain.
As well, and you'll see recurrent themes in terms of the destructive power of capitalism and colonialism and how they've destroyed communities, languages, environment.
And I think if we could have a conversation outside of the kind of media of Dublin, which seems to control the conversation that we're allowed to have, if we can kind of make that conversation a lot more widespread, that we'll see actually there are a lot more similarities between people from working class areas or from rural class areas.
No, we can have a United Ireland, an Irish speaking island, but for what class? And that kind of needs to be the central question.
Just the broker who made the deal between the hotels and meals is making a lot of money and is building his home building now, and so everyone is making money over the misery of asylum seekers and families who are living there.
Because in terms of the established parties, their housing policies are working perfectly to their policies. So unless we say that the housing policies are failing, they're failing for people on the ground. But in terms of the political sort of power, they're not failing. They're working exactly as they were designed to work.
And everybody plays a role at certain points, and people, at the core of that is always those most impacted, and that will always drive any campaign.
Ismi Shahzadeh is as Iranme. I'm really delighted that I attended the event today. It was important for me from so many levels. First, in terms of looking at the struggles that are parallel in the same city.
The best vaccine to tackle mental ill health is to address inequality and discrimination.
I think today was really, really useful. Well, today and last night was really useful just for starting the conversation in terms of what are the key issues that need to be centre ground when talking about what a new Ireland would be, what the constitution should be, but also how do you make this process something that is exciting, that's attractive, and that's capable of creating really, really radical change that's needed.
Where capitalists don't really produce anything anymore. They don't produce things to sell for a profit and then workers get a wee slice of it. But instead they just take control of existing public goods, services, assets, land and so on, and then they charge us for the privilege of accessing it.
Put it this way, it's 25 years since the Good Friday Agreement or thereabouts, isn't it, next year? The Maldives will be underwater in the next 25 years. That's the scale of the crisis we're facing, and we need to incorporate that into Irish unity, into any republic that's going to exist in the future that needs to be sustainable.
So it's a fearháireachtach go dagan daoine le chéile agus go mbíonn deis ag daoine atá obair ar rudí éagsúla achud ábhar a phlé tuairimí eile agus daoine chur an eolas maiall ar an obair iontach ar fad atá a galarráid.